Om Tacchayora Vidimahe Katunyaya Panaye Daivi Swasti Ashunha Swasti Mangeya Urumati Asupeshayam Samno Matuishpale Samjatushpale Om Shanti Shanti Shanti
No, pero yo no voy a comenzar de fuera. Yo estoy...
I came out right now. I'm interacting with a lot of people. I've been and then here. So this is my second video inside the temple. I met one more person when I was just talking over there. Okay, when I was standing over there, I met another person who started speaking, and we were speaking for so long. So this is on March 3rd, 2026. It's Gaura Purnima, 50th anniversary of the 50th anniversary of ISKCON at Buenos Aires. Okay, so just recording for my memory and interacting with people who speak English. Again, Abhinandan here. So let me go a little far and talk, because I do not want to talk near people, but by talking also someone will interact. So I heard right now there are more than 1,000 families, Argentinian Hindus. There are Argentina Hindu people who follow vegetarianism. Okay, who will they don't eat egg or meat or fish or anything. They are more strict than any Indian Hindus. I am living in one Hindu, Argentina Hindu person house. His grandfather was from Italy. His father also was born in Italy, but he was born over here. I stayed him for nearly 1 month over there. Now I'll be shifting to another place in a downtown area, probably. So I've already done the recording. I will interact with some more people and let me go around. It's already nearly 7 p.m. I think. That's the entrance. I've already done over there. No English books, but I've read some English books long back when I was there in Richmond. When I was there in Richmond, Miami, in USA, Virginia, Richmond. And so those of you, I heard more than 1,000 Argentinian people who are Hindus and more than 500 Indian people doing business here. More than 500 people doing trading, exporting, bringing clothes, textile from India, sell electronics from China to here, all Indian business people. So because my person comes here, I also thought let me come. I met some potential people already, which will help me in my global earning. For the last 1 month, I was sitting and preparing a lot of things with Spanish and doing the business also slowly. But now I found a lot of institute which is teach trading, investment in trading and all. So I'll be contacting them and giving them an offer. How if they have nearly 750 people joining with $50, If 750 people join with $50, how their earning can cross more than $20,000? Simple plan. How with it started over there, let me go there. How if someone starts with a 52 USDT, and I will talk only business. So 52 USDT if they start and take 6 IDs and build a team of 25, 125, 625, their earning will cross more than $20,000 with a joining amount of just $52. So I won't talk inside. I was going up with my slippers. So
Ministry of External Affairs is here.
for Indian ministry?
No, Argentinian ministry.
Okay.
And
He is also a Hindu?
she's but she's very dear to devotees. And she also is speaking about the ceremony of 50th anniversary of the installation of the Sri Gaurnita is here in the temple.
Okay.
So now they are holding a little ceremony, and after that we come a kirtan program.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Una verdadera ciudad de encuentro y de diálogo. Eso es lo que queremos. Así que les quiero agradecer muchísimo. Esperemos que estos sean los primeros 50 años de muchos más que puedan poner muchas placas y hacer crecer, ¿no? Con todos nosotros sus cantos, sus mantras, bueno, el desfile, ¿no? Que para nosotros es tan importante poder acompañar todos los años. Así que bueno, y toda la participación que ustedes tienen en la noche de los templos también, donde tanta gente se acerca para conocerlos, para que ustedes puedan mostrarles toda su riqueza y su espiritualidad. Así que muchísimas gracias nuevamente y bueno, muy feliz aniversario.
Since I don't understand, I come out. Okay. A lot of Indian people are not there. Indian business people is because it's a working day and they'll have their businesses. Sunday means many people would have come. That is what I heard. So I should not say this, but I'm saying I wanted to donate on the Saturday by going to the wholesale market, by bringing one crate of vegetables, one big box of about maybe 20 kgs of some one vegetable for the prasada, which I usually do in different temples in USA and all. But my host, he has a problem. He does the mantra 1700 times, 108 into 16 times, and he sleeps. It takes 4 hours for him to say that mantra every day. And the problem he cannot get up in the morning, and he has other problems also. He gets up at 3 o'clock or 4 p.m. Okay, and the wholesale market is open only in the morning time. If you go at 6 o'clock morning or 5 o'clock, by 11 o'clock it closes off, the wholesale. If not this Saturday, 2 days ago, or even on Monday, yesterday I wanted to go, Tuesday. He told we'll get up in the morning, and he did not get up. I called him at 6:30 morning, in the same room, next room I am staying. Calling him many times also, I did not wake up until 4 p.m. That's his problem. Anyhow, I'll stop right now. Abhinandan here. Those who are keen to travel like Abhinandan at one point in your life, okay? If you have come to a point in your life where you want to travel, and while traveling you want to earn money, by global referral, don't come to your conclusion. That's the mistake. That's the mistake. Your brain cheats you. That is a mistake. Your brain comes to conclusion very fast without asking questions. Okay? So, if you come to conclusion, you are the loser. So, you have to take the initiative. Hello.
I have a friend in India.
Oh, yeah, India. Which part of India? Have you visited India?
No,
You should visit now.
no. She was in the festival.
Yeah, she's
Guru
the-
Purnima.
She's inside? Okay.
In India.
Inside?
No, in India.
This is in India. This is Mayapur.
No.
She's from Argentina. Is she from Argentina or from India?
Huh?
Is she from Argentina or India?
Yeah.
She's an Indian now. Okay.
Yes.
This is in Mayapur?
Look. It's open the 13
Okay. This is in Mayapur or Jagannath?
in Jagannath.
Oh, Jagannath. Okay. Thank you. These are all very good people who love India very much. Okay, they love to come to India. See, they'll all have juttus. We feel so much. He is having a juttu. Everyone is having a juttu. And anyhow, you visit the website, watch the 2-hour video in detail when your mind is fresh. When your mind is fresh after a 9-hour deep sleep. I'm telling all this very clearly. After a 9-hour deep sleep, watch the complete video and then talk to me by WhatsApping me. If you really want to visit USA once in your lifetime, I'm not exaggerating, I'm not telling lie. But you have to start earning $3,000 per month. If you think it is not possible, you are cheating yourself. If you think it is not possible, you are cheating yourself. I'm repeating again. If you think by starting with $55 you cannot earn $3,000, you are coming to conclusion very fast. That's your problem. Abhinandan with $55 business is traveling the world. Okay? So, because it will become dark, I am recording right now. So,